I love you.
Too.
Oh, say I love you. Bless you. Say, Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. I'm just practicing. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong. Okay, she's not interested.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Achoo. Say hello.
Hello.
Say thank you.
Achoo.
I love you.
Achoo.
Oh, say I love you. Bless you. Say I love you. Oh no. Say I love you. Bless you. A sneezing fit, don't you? Whoa, it brought you to your knees. Achoo. What are you doing? Look at the camera. Look inside there. Whoa, what is that? Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Say my name is Melody. Can you say Melody?
Mm-hmm.
Say Melody. Look at the camera. Look in here. Say wow.
Wow.
Can you say Daddy?
No.
Say Mommy.
See?
Say hi. Can you give it a kiss? Can you give this a kiss? That would be really cute for them too. Give this a kiss. Give this camera a kiss. Right here. Right here. Say mwah. Oh, you give Daddy a kiss instead. Kiss. Right here. Right here. Kiss. Right here. Can you give it a kiss?
Dale beso.
Dale beso.
Mwah.
Daddies are much better to kiss than cameras.
Oh crap, it's not even recording. Beavis again, I'm Ben Retro, everybody. It's Jason the Blogging Rapper. And I thought I was recording a moment ago, guess I wasn't. But I want to take this video to talk to you about the house management skills of yours truly, the husband, and her, my wife, and how we're different and how we somehow still are able to maintain our sanity despite how different we are. So I'm gonna give you a chance to rant about how bad you think I am and, you know, what I do that you don't like.
Okay, well first I'll start off with the good notes because I want to be a good wife. You keep the house, well, he keeps the house pretty tidy on the outside appearance.
See, if I left this to my wife, all the counter space would be... Okay,
Not true, except he puts things away. I had a bag over there on the counter, it's no longer there, that I have to take to work tomorrow. He probably took everything apart and scattered it in different locations where he thinks that they belong, but it's in a random spot and it doesn't belong in those spots, so I'll have to dig through. And I asked him, where did you put this? I don't know, I've never seen that before. 3 weeks later, I find it. Dancing break. 3 weeks later, I find it whenever I don't need it anymore, or something spoils. I buy brand new things, put them in the refrigerator. He throws them away before I even eat, but a couple
That only
pieces.
happened once.
But
only
it
once.
happens. And then the drawers, I made him take pictures of things, how everything is put away, because he likes to just throw everything in and that's clean. Like a kid hiding stuff under the bed. But it's not clean whenever you just throw stuff in. It drives your wife crazy because she's the one who cooks.
What's wrong with this? Okay, that's a little bad. But that's not just me.
So anyway, those are my little things that bother me.
Okay, well, she is not so,
Gentle.
not so, not so OCD as I am. I'm very
On the
OCD.
inside.
What does that even mean?
I am particular about how things are done. You're particular about things being done.
Yes.
You just want things done no matter how they get done.
Yes.
They just have to be done.
Yes.
But I have to have them done the right way.
Which takes a month or more, usually. And I guess that's my only gripe, is when she does commit to cleaning something, she gets things very clean. She's cleaned our bedroom closet, she's cleaned our pantry, the garage. Yeah, organized. She's the organizer. So she's organized the garage, she's organized a lot of things that actually look very, very nice, and she has a good skill for it. The problem is it takes forever.
And then he messes it up.
When she doesn't complete it, that's when I mess it up, quote unquote, because I do put things away. I'm a surface person, so it has to be clean on the surface, because otherwise I get anxious, I freak out.
And then I freak out if it's not done on the inside.
So you see, I'm an outsider, she's an insider. That's how we complement each other. So how do we hold on to our sanity? Hey, we're still trying to figure it out.
We yell at each other and get over it.
And then I'll say something stupid like, I was frozen today, and she'll
Then
be
it's
like,
done.
what? What?
He's lucky because I'm forgetful and I forget what we just argued about 5 minutes ago.
5 seconds ago.
In about 5 minutes, I'll forget that we were just doing this video.
Exactly. So I guess it's good when you have a forgetful wife who will forget that she's mad at you 5 seconds after she yells at you, and you know, you chase her around the house.
I still can't find what I'm looking for.
Chase her around the house. Yeah, but even so, you still get over it. And another way we hold on to our sanity is we have this beautiful little girl who for some reason is pushing a chair across the kitchen floor.
Well, her basket broke, so she uses the chair instead.
Yeah, she had a shopping basket, that's right. Hey, gorgeous.
Say hi.
So with that in mind, you got something for us, Melly? You want to do a little dance?
Dancing time. Da, 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 da,
Yeah.
Come on, Melody. A dance, dance, dance. A dance, dance, dance.
Oh, she wants up.
Dance, dance, dance. A dance, dance, dance. A dance, dance.
There we go. Look at you, shaking that booty. Shaking that booty.
She knows the camera's on her. That's why she's being all shy.
Yeah, because she's usually more active. So there you have it. We keep our sanity, and marriage is a lot of compromise, and oftentimes we don't really get it. But at the end of the day, I love her. She sort of loves me, so it is what it is.
It's also like somebody, what was it, our pastor said, if you leave me, I'm packing my bags and following you. So
that's the right mentality.
There's no quitting, ever. Even if you drive
We're too legit.
insane to
Too
quit.
legit to quit. Hey, hey. Awkward moment time. Awkward moment. Subscribe to our channel, like us, and like us, especially if you enjoy our beautiful little girl's dancing abilities.
Go do it again.
Because she knows how to shake a groove thing.
let's change the diaper. On that note, your turn.
Oh no.
Your turn.
Oh no.
Your turn.
I'm working on the video. I'm working on the video. I can't do it.
Your turn.
Nope. Nope.
I'm cooking dinner. Do you want to eat tonight? If you want to eat tonight, take her now.
I don't want to.
Take her. You think I want to? I'm changing diapers all day. It's your turn.
Achoo. Achoo. You see yourself in the camera now, don't you?
Are you gonna give the baby a kiss? All they see is your ear. Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you. You say I love you. Say see you. Say peace.
Happy.